Okay, here's the bottom part of the bun, right from the freezer. Go ahead and use this smoother first to go all the way around. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to kind of go slightly at an angle just at the base. Because usually the hamburger buns at the bottom, they're slightly rounded just at the very, very base. So I'll just kind of notch out a little bit of buttercream down there. Okay, good. Now I'll take a little bit more of the soft buttercream and place it all the way around, and this is just gonna, again, just like the top of the bun, just fill in any little holes, any air bubbles, things like that. And then I'll go ahead and smooth it all the way around one more time. We've got a cake crumb right there. See that? I'm not gonna worry about it because that way I can just show you how to cover it with your mustard or your lettuce or whatever there is there. Okay, go back in here, and now what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab my same little piece of acetate and just go all the way around. Okay, now the other part that I don't really have to worry about the top because you're not going to see that, but I am going to just go in on the edge a little bit. So I'm just cupping the paper here, and notice again I'm making the turntable do the work. I'm spinning that and pretty much keeping this hand in the same spot. I might move it a little bit, but it's usually in the same spot. Okay. Ooh, yeah, the perfect bun. Until I just messed it up right there. See, I just keep going back and forth. The two tools or three, the bit larger scraper and then a spatula are the things you really, most important tools here when smoothing. And what we'll want to do is set up our airbrush station here. And I'll do that, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to airbrush this and make it look like a real bun.